I'm Christine Lozano and I'm here to talk to you today about the Ponyo for thick hair. It's absolutely amazing. The Ponyo is solid copper, it's extremely durable, and it's even stronger than 20 elastic hair bands. So it feels like there's nothing in your hair. The Ponyo lifts your hair up and it takes the weight off of that thickness instead of dragging it down and weighing on my head. When I first tried on the Ponyo, I was kind of skeptical about it because it doesn't have that tight pulling feeling that rubber bands have. Instead, it just kind of holds your hair securely in place and it doesn't move. So putting in rubber bands our whole life, we started to develop habits. And one of the things we tend to do because rubber bands loosen is this. So that will not work with the Ponyo. Instead, what you want to do is pull your hair straight up, pull down, and squash it. I'm going to show you how to put in the Ponyo for thick hair. So taking your thumb and your pointer, put it through the Ponyo. This is especially important for thick hair. Make sure you only use 2 fingers so you have plenty of room to grab your hair in between. Just grab the ponytail and pull straight through. Once you get your hair through the Ponyo, use your other hand to hold it against your head and let your hair fall.
Squash it flat, and this next part is very important, the shape of your Ponyo. Take your 2 thumbs to bend the corners down into a 90-degree angle, and then give it an extra squeeze. The sharper the bend, the tighter and more secure the Ponyo will be.
So some of the benefits of the Ponyo specifically for thick hair is it keeps your hair up, it's not moving at all, and it's so comfortable, you would not believe it. So my girlfriend had this rubber band and I just wanted to show you all the damage rubber bands actually do to thick hair compared to the Ponyo, which isn't going to do any damage. All you have to do is open up your Ponyo and it slides right out. And then there's no crease in your hair. If your hair is too thick to get through your Ponyo, there are some gorgeous half-up options. So we will be introducing a brand new Ponyo for even thicker hair here in the next couple months. We're so excited.